into two large objects P and, okay, they say two large objects P and R, each of mass M, we can see that on the diagram, are placed with their centers R apart, as shown in the diagram below. They expect a gravitational force of magnitude F on each other, and then now the mass of R is increased to what? To 2m. So the mass of this one now is 2m. It is increased, and the objects are now placed so that the distance between their center, the distance is doubled. Guys, if you watched my previous lesson on electrostatic force, you know how to answer this question, right? So we said that on that lesson. Remember that the force, the electrostatic force, is directly proportional to what? To the charges, and inversely proportional to the distance between them. So now I'm going to write this. I said that if they want you to use the charges and the distance, we're going to say F is directly proportional to the charges, which is Q1 and Q2, and F is inversely proportional to the distance. So now let's substitute. I'm going to name this as my Q1, then this will be my Q2. So Q1 is just M, so I'll just substitute M. So this is F. Okay, let's write this down. F directly proportional to Q1 Q2 over R squared. I'm already having much fun now. We're already on multiple choice and I'm enjoying the lesson. So this tells me that you are also having fun on your side. So it's a ding ding ding. Okay, so Q1, what is Q1? Q1 is just M. Let's substitute. Multiplied by, what is Q2? Q2 is 2M. Then this is divided by, in fact, you know what I'm going to do? To make this simple, let me write this in this form. Let's say I have my Q1, which is M, and then I have my Q2, which is 2M. So this tells me that this is just Q, and this will be 2Q2. Let's substitute that. So this will be Q1, it's just Q1, but Q2 is doubled, so this will be multiplied by 2Q2. Divide by what? R, it's 2R. So the value of R, I'm just going to substitute that as 2R, which is squared. So what do we have on top? We have, I'm going to write this as 2 of Q1 times Q2. What I did, I just moved the Q in front. Then this is divided by 2 squared, it's 4. Then I'll have this as R squared. So now I'm going to move the 2 over 4 this side. Multiply that by the Q1, Q2 over R squared. Look at this. I know that this part here, this part here, it's my F. So if that part is my F, now what is 2 over 4 equals to? This is 1 over 2 times, we know that this is F according to the formula. Can you see that? So this will be F. So you're going to check on your multiple choice which one is 1 over 2F is A. It's a ding ding ding. So now that you get this one, everything is good. Né?